Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. If you're looking to simplify your camping life, you want to get rid of your big toy haulers and still be able to take your stuff with you, that's exactly what this unit's set up for. It's set up to be your multi-use camper, hauler, kind of everything trailer. This one is a brand new 7x16, again, insulated windows, AC power, battery, loaded up fun trailer. It's in a gorgeous two-tone silver front, black back with a blackout package. You guys can see you do have that black diamond plate rock guard along the bottom, the Vino's guard for rock protection, and an extended triple tube tongue, so you guys will have a nice turning radius with these units as well. Side door is over on this side. You do have the RV lock and cam bar, so double lock protection there. Two LED party lights off the side as well, so you have some light to hang out with at night. And then you guys can see you've got that little box located right here. That's an exterior GFI outlet, so great place to set up a table, camp, cook outside, plug in a speaker, whatever you want to do there. Two 3,500-pound axles, brakes on all fours, aluminum wheels, black diamond plate fender for that blackout package again. And these are set up extremely similar to our off-road trailers, but don't have the off-road trailer full capability. So for those of you that aren't going to go more extreme off-roading, this is a perfect unit for that. Drop-down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. You also have two LED load light spotlights off the back as well, so you can see what you're doing. You guys can see you're going to have some great exterior light at night. Rear ramp door, spring assist close, 7-foot interior height, so it is tall enough for most of those side-by-sides out there. Insulated walls and ceiling with a white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. Performance Nudo floor with Drymax. You guys have heard me talk about this floor a million times. It's an amazing floor, set up to last a very long time. And then you've got 60 rings as well, so you've got some great tie-down points. Two 18x44 slider windows with screens. This is a tinted lockable window, so you've got some good versatility there. And then you also have a Maxx Air roof vent here at the back, so you can get some additional ventilation. Now we do have for lighting two different setups. You guys can see we've got the battery with a battery box and a battery charger right there. This is a great feature because this is going to run all your 12-volt lighting for you. So normally you would need to be plugged into a vehicle or a generator to bring power and light back to your trailer. This battery right here is going to run your 4 interior puck lights. So you've got 2 of these guys on each side. It's also going to run those spotlights off the back and the party lights off the side. So again, allows you guys to have some light without having to be plugged into anything. Now you also have your 30 amp service. You guys can take this cord, you pop it right through that cord port, go plug into a generator or a campground or an extension cord. That's going to bring 110 power into your trailer and power up your 5 outlets. You've got 4 right here plus that exterior GFI outlet. It's also going to bring power into your 4-foot LEDs across the ceiling, as well as your AC unit with a heat strip. So you guys do have the ability to heat and cool this trailer as well for some nice climate control. And you've got switches for everything right here, so you can control what you've got on and off. There's your lock, a latch, and a set of keys with that side door. This unit weighs 2,000 pounds. It's going to give you guys about a 5,000 pound payload capacity and a 3-year factory warranty. So as always, give us a call, 303-688-8485 if you guys have any questions. And you guys can go right to our website, coloradotrailersinc.com, or we've tried to simplify it for you guys. You can go right now to getmytrailer.com, and we've got a buy it now button. You guys can purchase this unit online. And as soon as we see that, we'll contact you and we can finish up the transaction. And if you guys don't live near us or want to take a road trip to Colorado, we ship literally every day. So give us a call. We can get you a shipping quote. We've got very reasonable rates, probably a lot cheaper than what most people think. And as always, we'd love to earn your business, and be sure to like and subscribe.